So the thing that causes the immune system to attack the body in autoimmune disease is where the immune system, which normally will recognize infection and try to attack that, actually becomes disturbed and starts to attack our healthy cells. Now, this happens normally through a change in what we call self-tolerance. There's a loss of self-tolerance. So the immune system should be able to recognize our own body cells as self. And when it starts to lose that process, it's a loss of self-tolerance, and it starts to recognize our normal body cells as being abnormal and worthy of attack. So actually, we go a little bit further with that, and we can look at specific cells. So the regulatory T cells are a really important part of regulating the immune system. And if they are overzealous and they are regulating too much and Treg cells are high, then we can be looking at chronic infection and even cancer. But when they are low, that regulatory system is low, that's when we can be looking at autoimmunity and allergies. So there's a way of looking at that from a cellular level. Now, in the work that we do within functional and integrative medicine, we are looking at root causal factors such as oxidative stress, which is the normal process that happens as we age, but lifestyle and other factors can increase the rate of oxidative stress, increase the burden of oxidative stress, and we can measure that on certain functional medicine tests as well. What this does is it increases inflammation and disrupts immune balance further. We also have a genetic component, and we look a lot at epigenetics, so how we influence our genes through lifestyle, the environment of the cell. Also, increased gut permeability and gut microbiome really have been shown in research and through clinical experience as being important factors in the development of autoimmunity as well. The last 10 years has seen a huge increase in the rate of autoimmune disease and numbers in autoimmune disease. And this lends itself to the understanding that environmental factors, because our world is changing all the time, and we always say we live in a bit of a toxic soup of a world these days, and this lends itself to the understanding that autoimmune disease, it does have that significant impact from environmental factors.